Many students mix these two words up. Let's fix it in under 2 minutes. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. In this lesson, we are learning about homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same, but have different meanings and different spellings. Today we are focusing on your and your. Let's start with your your. Your shows that something belongs to someone. This is your bag. Is this your pencil? Now let's look at your you apostrophe re. Your is short for you are. The apostrophe shows that a letter is missing. It replaces the letter A in R. You're going to school. You're very kind. Now it's your turn. Choose the correct homophone to complete each sentence. Is this book? Going to love this. Where is hat? Pause the video here, and then we'll check the answers together. Let's check the answers together. Is this your book? You're going to love this. Where is your hat? If you got those correct, well done. So remember, homophones are words that sound the same, but have different meanings and different spellings. Keep learning with our Learn Homophones playlist. Next, watch our lesson on its and its. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. I'll see you in the next video.